In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your Trello board. Once you have established your lists, the columns that you see, you'll be able to decide how to organize your list. So the first list I have is samples, and then to do, and then invoices paid, which is where I want to work. Then I move to done, and now I'm working on archiving or deleting anything that has been finished. There's more than one way to do this. You can right click on the tab and it will give you the option to archive, or you can open it up and you can delete it. Whatever makes sense to you. You could slide back and forth to see what's going on in your lists and move a tab over from one list to the other. This allows you to scroll up and down, and if you go to the three dots, you can choose to delete the entire list. Using this format helps you to stay organized and on task. You can edit your checklist. Just click on checklist. Once it's created, you can add more to your checklist. It's easy to delete as well. As you organize, you may want to add a completion date or a deadline. Save. You can see it right there. You can edit or you can remove it. Organize by color. If you choose the wrong color, just click on it again and it goes away. As you can see, it's very easy to organize your projects in Trello.